See the structure of Golgi body. Its distribution. Golgi complex is found in the cells of higher plants and animals. These are well developed in secretory. Young and active cells, Golgi bodies is not found in prokaryote cell. Origin. It is believed that Golgi body originated from endoplasmic reticulum and mainly three-part consisting and made up Golgi complex. What are the three parts of it? First one is cisternae, second one is vesicle, and third one is vacuole. And what is the function of Golgi complex? The main function of Golgi body is secretion. Secretory vesicle move toward the plasma membrane and burst on the cell surface, releasing their contents. Lysosomes are formed from Golgi body. It helps in synthesis of large molecule of complex carbohydrates. Sometimes Golgi body secretes carbohydrates which help in the formation of cell wall. It helps in formation of acrosome of sperm and matrix of cartilage. It helps in cell plate formation. Plant secretory product like gum, wax, mucilage, etc. are released by these bodies. Various secretion produced by secretory cell are synthesized by it. These are the many hormonal and albuminous mucus secretion gland having the Golgi body. Next cell organelle is lysosome. See the structure of lysosome. First, we have discussed why it is known as suicidal bag. It is very important question. Always asked in your syllabus, why lysosome called suicidal bag? Because of types of enzyme. Means it is having acid hydrolase because these enzymes usually function in acidic medium or pH less than 7. Lysosomes are called suicidal bag because of presence of large number of digestive enzymes or acid hydrolase in them. Only a thin membrane separates the digestive enzyme from the rest of the cell. It is the membrane happens to broken the various cellular constituents would undergo lysis. How many types of lysosomes are formed? Primary, secondary and residual bodies, autophagy body in the form of lysosomes are present. What are the function of lysosome? They are digestive in nature. They digest the large extracellular particles like foreign protein, bacteria and viruses, etc. Lysosome digests the intracellular food content like carbohydrate, fat and protein to supply energy during starvation. Starvation means fasting or whenever food is not eaten by you. The lysosome of sperm secrete digestive enzyme to dissolve the egg membrane for fertilization. The next function is, in some pathogenical condition they show autolysis. Auto means self and lysis मतलब destruction, digestion of some cell organelles. The lysosome initiates the mitosis, cell division, and it helps for termination of useless material from the cell by autophagy.